How to hide your follower list on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how you can keep your followers list private on the REDnote app? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. It's super simple and only takes a few taps. So let's jump right in. To get started, open up your REDnote app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account where you want to adjust your privacy settings. And once you are logged in, if you tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner, you will be taken to your profile page. And once you land here, as you can see, you will have an option to tap on the followings list. So if you want to hide your followers list, then you'll have to tap on the gear icon to find your privacy settings. So just tap on it, and once you land on the settings page, find the privacy settings, and here you can adjust all of the things what people can see on your account. So scroll down a bit until you find the followers list. So under relationship, you'll find ways to find me, followers following list. Just tap on it. Now, if you want to hide your followers list, go ahead and toggle this option on right here. Make sure that it's marked as red, which means it will hide all of your followers list. And if you go back to your profile and refresh, then people won't be able to see your followers list. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.